gonna bring it on down. Let's bring it down. And it's a great groove, but you know it. Woo! So wonderful. That's right. All right. All right. Wonderful time of the year. That is Nova Wave with Kelly Rowland. Yes. Thank you to those fine folks for putting their talents together, collaborating, and putting their stuff out into this big, wide, wonderful world for all of us to enjoy and to add to the wonderment of this time of the year. Excellent. Happy Friday, people. You made it through another 7 days worth of living. Woo! Congratulations to us all. Yes. Today's weekly wrap-up is entitled Sleigh Bells Ringin, Jingles Jammin, Jollies Get Gotten, Drinkin Wassail Othah Toddies, listening to carolers, singing at time, holidays, so much for your senses to be sensin. Whew, let me repeat that. Today's weekly wrap-up is entitled Sleigh Bells Ringin, Jingles Jammin, Jollies Get Gotten, Drinkin Wassail Othah Toddies, listening to carolers singing at time, holidays, so much for your senses to be sensin. Ha! Yes, let's do this. Weather, brisk and no frightful. Time holidays got so many things delightful for our senses sensing to a level of insatiable. Sleigh bells get to ringing, DJ play jingles start jamming. Jacks and Jills get jollies gotten, drinking wassail and other toddies. Then carolers warming up their voices for traditional carols singing, and seasonal savories and sweets in the making, fragrantly fill up the air with pleasant smells that when we breathe in, we're all appetitefully smelling. Oh yes. This multi-sensation once-a-year sensory combination brings us massive amounts of joyous, jubilant utilization, shown crystal clear on our through the celebration of the new year, non-stop faces smiling. Delight at an intensity far from the remainder of the year's typical propensity. That your facial muscles contract in ways that work in your favor. Turning frowns inside out, upside down. Continuous grinning that resulted in uplifting your cheeks and chinning. Mimics a surgical procedure of a plastic surgeon. Oh yeah. Oh, immense joy, impossible for any child, nor adult, girl or boy, to contain. That we find ourselves out of our way going to extend a hand, or otherwise positively inspired interactions with those unknown to us, thus strangers. Behavior time of the year of the many might consider as strange. A single season changing behaviors of human beings. Do wishes well and warm greetings for the fellow planet sharing earthlings. In and of itself illustrating the powerful God-given gift that joined angels, shepherds, and wisemen together for praising and into the world welcoming. Yes! It's the most wonderful, filled time of the year when we can't help but spread peace, love, joy, hope, and good cheer with full on grinning from ear to ear. Let's come back around. Yeah, I was saying, it's the most wonderful time of the year. We can't help but spread peace, joy, love, hope, and good cheer. With full on grins grinning from ear to ear. One time. I said it's the most wonderful time of the year. We can't help but spread peace, love, joy, hope, and good cheer. With full on grins, grinning from ear to ear. Hashtag endless grinning, kind of face lifting. Hashtag wonderful, wonder-filled season. Hashtag endless grinning, kind of face lifting. Hashtag wonderful, wonderful-filled season. Hey! Hashtag endless grinning, kind of face lifting. Hashtag wonderful, wonder-filled season. That's the time in which we're living. Yes! And that, my friends, is this week's weekly wrap-up. Until our paths cross again, my friends, stay strong. Get your wonderful time of the year on and share your strengths. Later.